How to order from Sugargoo. Here's what you want to do. First, you will need to create an account and sign in. Once you have an account ready, you will scroll down or search for the product which you want to purchase. Let's say that I want to purchase these t-shirts. I'll click on the product itself. It's going to load up the product page, and we'll need to choose the specifications such as the color, and here the size and the quantity. So let's say that we want to order 2 of these in this color in the size S. Next, you will see the option Agent Buy or Add to Cart. If you want to immediately purchase, you will choose Agent Buy and you have to click on I agree here at the top. Now you have to choose the services. So you can choose services. Here you can see some more information, and also you can select the order service. So priority purchase is gonna add another 70 cents to our order. All right, so we have chosen the services. What next? You will click on Go to Pay. Now here, what you have to do is pay for the order. If you scroll up and toggle or hover over this, it's going to tell us that after payment is completed, you have to wait 1 to 3 days for the platform to confirm. Once confirmed, the platform processing steps are as followed. So here, basically all we have to do is choose your payment method. So if you're doing PayPal here, you just click on Pay Now and go through PayPal. You can also use your credit or debit card, and also make sure you set the correct currency here. Pay for your order, and the next steps will be inspection and warehousing. The goods are inspected and confirmed before placed in a warehouse upon arrival. Then you will select the items, logistics routes, and pay for international shipping. You have the package delivered to your home. And after successfully receiving the package, you will have to take a photo of it. Sharing a photo of the package will earn you, well, you don't have to, but it will earn you bonus points and rewards. And that's how you order from Sugargoo. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.